Hello friends, this is Dr. MiteshGala, presently teaching in Campin School. Welcome to the online teaching resource.
Hi, we are getting into squares and square roots today, exercise 3a. Before we get into the topic, a few basics I will help you to understand, and I am just showing you the textbook. This is exercise 3a. Take a picture of this in case if you do not have the textbook, so you know what the sums are. Okay, so that's 3a, the first page, and this is 3a, the second page. So pause your video, take the picture, so you already have the sums with you, and now let's begin. Very simple topic. In fact, you all will have a lot of fun while doing this topic. So just pay attention to the start well, and then we can directly begin with the exercise. Can you tell me the basic squares? Square is basically a number multiplied by itself. So if I say 1 square, it has to be 1. Come on with me. 2 square, 4. 3 square, 9. 5 square, 25. 6 square, 36. 7, 49. 9, 81. 10, 100. Now let's write 11, 121, 12, 144. Please correct me if I go wrong. And if you are speaking it out before me, great job. 14, 196, 15, 225, 16, anybody? Superb, 256, 17, 289, 18, 324, 19. Come on, anybody? 351 or 361, I'm not sure. Let me check. 81, so 8. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 18 plus 8, 26. It's 361, my bad. 20, 400. 20, oh, 400. 21, 441. 22, 484. 23, anyone knows? So 3 square 9, 3 twos are 6, 6 twos are 12, 4 and 1 5. Am I right? Let me check. 3 square 9, 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 1, 2 square 4 and 1 5. Now it's correct. So, did you get any idea how did I multiply this directly and get my answer? I'll show you the trick. How to get your squares mentally. So, 23 if you are looking out for, you take the first number, that is 3 square. So 3 digits probably or 4 digits, we don't know. So we are working out for the last digit first. So 3 square, whatever this number, that will come here. So 3 square, 9. Then multiply these 2 digits. So 3 twos are 6. See, multiply. 3 twos are 6. And double it up. Always double it up. So 6 twos are 12. So write this digit here and keep this 1 in your mind as carryover. Now take this first number square. So that is 2 square, 4. And add this 1. So 5. So I will get the answer as 529. See, what did I do? 3 into 3, first digit comes here. Then multiplying these 2 digits into 2 and 2 goes there. And finally 2 into 2 plus this left over. That is 4 plus 1, 5, which comes here. Are you getting it? So that's easier way of calculating squares mentally. You want to try one more? Chalo, let's take 24 square. So everybody with me, 4 square, 16. So 1 carry over. 4 twos are 8, 8 twos are 16, plus 1, 17. So again 1 carry over. 2 square, 4, plus 1, 5. So 576. 25, last one. Come on, pause the video on your own. In fact, many of you all must be knowing that this is 625. So let's try 26. 6 square, 36, 3 carry over. 6 twos are 12, 12 twos are 24. 24 plus 3, 27. So 2 carry over. 2 square 4, 5 and 1, 6. So 676. This can help you to calculate your squares directly without going and calculating it. But you need some practice for this. Once you do at least 5 to 6 sums like this, automatically you will be able to build. One last one just for you all. 21 square. So 7 square 49, 4 carries over. 7 twos are 14. 14 twos are 28, 28 plus 4, 32, so 3. 2 square 4, 5, 6, 7, so 729. I want you to basically remember at least these many squares by heart. Till 27, at least you should know, so that your process gets speeded up when you are doing this topic. Take a screenshot of this, put this on your softboard. So while we are doing this chapter, it becomes very easy for you to adapt to square and square root. Square root is basically taking the root. So if I say root of 729, your answer should be 27. You can do this mentally, or you can do by prime factor method, or if they tell you a particular method, you need to stick to that method. Alright, so while we do this exercise, I am sure you will be with me going ahead. Now what I exactly want you to do, when I put out a question for you, I want you to first try the sum on your own. Pause the video, try it on your own. Once you get it, come back. Even if you don't get it, come back, I will help you. But first, try on your own. Don't directly copy from what I am doing. Alright, so come on, pause your video. 1 part 2, 6.3 square. Hit it. Everyone on your own. So 6.3 into 6.3. Go into the corner, multiply. I am doing it directly because I know the trick. 3 square 9, 3 6 are 18, 18 2 are 36, so 3 carries over. 6 square 36 plus 3 39. Add 2 decimals, 1 and 2, so I'll put 2 decimals. Let me just check if my maths is correct doing this direct. 3 3s are 9, 3 6 are 18. Did I do the same thing? 3 3s are 9, 3 6 are 18, 2 are 36, 3 are. So then 6 3s are 18. 6 36 and 1 37, so 9 16 7 8 and 1 9 3. It's perfect. And 1 decimal place, 2 decimal place, therefore you are taking 2 decimal places from the left, sorry, from the right, not from the left. Are we very clear till here? Perfect. Can you go with this one? Come on, 1 minute, not even 1 minute, 20-second job. Come on everyone. 15 into 15, how much? 225. Brilliant. Can you get this one for me? If you're smart, what you must do is 3969 into 100, and root of 100 is 10. Now just get root of this. Use prime factor method, get the root of this, and then put that over here, and then 100 directly will become 10. Don't take this big number and then take factors of that. You are going to go mad otherwise. Alright, so 3969. Let's take the factors. Come on everyone, pause your video, try it on your own, come back. So 3 times it goes. 3 1s are 3 3s are 3 2s are 3 3s are. Again 3 4s are 12, 4s are 12 and 1s are. So 3 times I am again taking it. 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12, 7s are. Again 3 4s are 12 and 3 9s are. So 7 7s are, 7 1s are. How many got the same prime factors? Brilliant. Pat on your back. So 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, 7 into 7 into 100 under the root. Make pairs. This 3 will come out, this 3 will come out, 7 will come out, and 100 will become 10. So I made my life easy. That's what you should do. In mathematics, just don't follow teachers blindly. Use your common sense first and then try solving the sum. So 3 3s are 9, 7s are 60. 9 7s are 63 and 1 0. So 630 should be the answer to this. How many got this correct without my help? Pat yourself. Good job. Let's go to the next one. 2 part 3. Come on everyone. Square root of this. So we've got no choice. Use prime factor method. We are not that brilliant to get this directly on our own. So I'm taking it over here. 194481 and factors of that. So I don't know whether it goes in 3. 8 and 1 9, 9 9. You know the test of divisibility. Add everything, and if it is divisible by 3, it is. So easiest way, instead of adding, 9 goes in 3, remove that. 4 plus 4, 8 and 1 9. Again 9 goes in 3, remove it. 8 and 1 9, it goes in 3, remove it. That's how you should do it. It becomes faster and smarter rather than adding everything. So if you not followed, rewind, pay attention and then come back. So 3 6 are 18, 1 14. So 3 4s are 12, 2 24, 8s are, 3 2s are 6, 2 21, so 7 times. Again it goes in 3, let me check. See 6 goes, 8 plus 2 10 plus 4 14 plus 7 21 also goes. So let's take it. 6 are, 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3, 18, so 6 times, 0 and 9 times. Again let me try with 3, 3, yeah it goes. So 3 7s are, 3 2s are 0 and 3. 9 and 3, again it goes. Wow. So 3 2s are 6, 1 12, so 4 0 1, 2 4 0 1 I think is something with 7. So try with 7 now. So 7 3s are 21, 3 30, 7 4s are 28, 2 21, so again 3 times. 3 4 3 is a cube of 7. Sorry, come on, hit it. So 49, yeah, 7 4s are 28 and then 9 times, 7 7s are and 7 1s are. Now that you've got all the factors, write them over here. 3 into 3, again 3 into 3, 7 into 7, and 2 more times 7 into 7. Everything under the root. Pull out what is common. So 1 time 3, another time 3, 7, and then one more 7. The 7 threes are 21 into 21. So 21 into 21, 441. You should know this by now by heart, or else your softboard is there. Copy from there. No, you're going to try it on your own. Cheaters, stop doing that. Come on, next. 3 part 2. Use common sense in life. Your life will become really simple. They say find the smallest number by which this be multiplied to make it a perfect square. How will you make this a perfect square? This is not a perfect square. So you let's say if you take the previous one and I say I remove this 3 and I give you this number 64827. Make it a perfect square by multiplying it with something. So right now when you take the factors of this, you will find 3 3s and 4 7s. So this pair is fine, this pair is fine, this pair is fine, but this is all alone. So what you will do, you will multiply this number by 3. So when I multiply by 3, it becomes this. So whatever is left over, you got to multiply with the number by that leftover. So automatically you get a number which becomes a square, perfect square. Are you getting it? So basically what you want to do is whatever number is given, take factors of that, make pairs, and whatever is left alone, multiply the number by that number. Easy? If they ask you what it should be divided by, it is the same answer yet. So divide by also 3. See, if I divide this by 3, this by 3, then this goes off, and I get this number. This number is basically again a multiple, or rather a perfect square. So when they ask you what it should be divided by or what it should be multiplied by, take factors, and whatever the number is left alone, that becomes multiplied by or divided by. Are you getting it? Try it, even if you don't get it. This is slightly weird question. 1274, you're going to get a weird answer. You'll have to come back and take my help, but still try. Let's see who can manage it without copying behind the answer. Okay, so 12748. Let's take the factors. It goes into 2 6s are, 2 3s are 6, 2 7s are, and 2 4s are. Again into 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2, 1 17, so 2 8s are, and 1 14 7s are. Now this doesn't go any further. That's the problem. Even while I was practicing it, I got damn pissed off. What a stupid number they've given, but we've got no choice. It's 3187 by 1, which itself is a prime number. I'm sorry to say that, but we'll have to understand few sums are like that. So basically 12748 is 2 into 2 into 3187. So if I want to make this number a perfect square, see, this 2 is already a pair, this is all alone, so I'll have to multiply it by this number. So you'll have to say therefore multiply 12748 by 3187 to make it a perfect square. Do you get it now? How to make it a perfect square? Yeah? Super. I'm so sorry because this number is slightly weird. In fact, why I'm sorry, I don't know. But yeah, still, just to boost your confidence. Come on, sum number 4. What it should be divided by? This is a sensible question. You will enjoy it. So take factors of this and see what it should be divided by. So basically, whatever number is alone, okay, that number it should be divided by, and then we'll look into the second part later. First get the factors of this and then we'll talk about it further. 10368. Pause your video, cheaters. They're waiting over there to copy from the book, from the video. Come on, pause on your own, try it. So 2 times 5, 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are, and 2 4s are. Anyone got this? Brilliant. Come on, if you got this, that means you are still on the video. Cheaters, come on, go ahead. So 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 2 9s are, and 2 2s are. Let me take this further with 2. 2 1s are, 2 2s are 4, 2 9s are 18, and 2 6s are. Again with 2. Oh my god, 2 6s are, 2 4s are, 2 8s are. Am I correct till here? You're still on the video. Pause. Try on your own, you will definitely get it. Come on, don't worry. Again, 2 3s are, 2 2s are, 2 4s are, 2 1s are, 2 6 and 2 2. 281. Now it's 327, 39, 33 and 31. So what are your pairs? See, this 2 is becoming a pair. this 2 is becoming a pair, this 2 is becoming a pair, 3 and 3. So what is left all alone is only this 2. This bichara fellow is all alone. So divide this number by 2. So 1, 2 will be eliminated and it will become a perfect square. So you write this way, 10368 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times 2 and then 4 times 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. So make pairs over here so that you are sure and show this 2 all alone. And then say therefore 10368 should be divided by 2. Should be divided by 2 to make it a perfect square. Now that you made it a perfect square, you are sorted. Now how will you go about with the second part? Also find the square root of the resulting number. So if I divide this 10368 by 2 to make it a perfect square, so dividing by 2, what am I getting? Why to cancel it? Pick it up from here. Why you want to do extra workload? So 5184. Now this is a perfect square. Find the square root of this. So square root of 5184. Again, why to take square root and find factors? It's a ready-made over here for me. So from 2 I'll pick up from here this number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 4 times 3. Square root of this. So 1, 2, 3. So I'll get 3 times 2 and 2 times 3. So 2 to the 4 to the 8, 8 into 9, 72. So 72 ka square should be this. Let me verify. 2 square 4, 7 to the 14 to the 18, so 149. Oh, something wrong. 2 square 4, 7 to the 14, 14 to the 28, 2 carry. 49 plus 2, 51. Perfect. So 72 should be your answer. See, the technique of directly squaring mentally helps me to check my answer in the end. So you should learn. If you still do not know how to do it, go right in the start of the video, get it and then come back. Yeah. Let's go ahead with the next question. How many of you are enjoying with me? Not enjoying. Sorry. I'll try. Come on, let's go ahead. 5 part 2. Pause your video on your own. Mixed fraction, convert it into a normal fraction, and after that we'll look into the square root. So 25 into 6. I'm doing it mentally. You can go into the corner, multiply and then come back. 25 6 are 150 plus 1, so 151. So 15 is carried over. 25 9s are 225 plus 15, 240. So 2401 by 25 ka root. This is what we are trying to look at. So we'll have to go and find the factors of 2401. So let's find it. I'll do it here. 2401. I don't know what does it go. It goes in 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No, it doesn't. So then what should I try it with? Let me try with 7. 7 3s are 21. So 30. Yeah, it goes in 7. So 7 3s are 21. So 330. 4s are 28 to 21. So again 3 times. So 749. 7 7s are and 7 1s are. So I get 4 times 7. 7 into 7 into 7 into 7. And 25 is 5 into 5 under the root. So I'll get 7 into 7 by 5 after taking the square root, that is 49 by 5. Write it in the mixed fraction in the end. Always give your answer in mixed fraction wherever possible. Otherwise they will deduct your marks. Hey matlab? Okay, come back. 5 9s are, stop laughing. Come on, come back. 5 9s are 45. 4 by 5. So that should be your final answer. I don't know whether it is correct. Can I just check, cheat, so that I am sure if I am not teaching you anything wrong. This is sum number 5 part 2. 5 part 2. It's perfect. Let's go to the next one. 5 part 3. It says 0.0169 under the root. So first, whenever you see decimals, get rid of the decimals by putting that many zeros down. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 numbers after the decimal. So put 4 zeros. Easy? Under the root. So this is 13 and 2 zeros, 2 zeros. So these 2 zeros will become 1 0. These 2 0 will become 1 more 0. So what will I have is 100. So my final answer should be 0.13. 2 zeros. So 1 and 2, 2 decimal places. Are you getting it? Brilliant. Let's go with the next one. 6 part 3. Come on, pause your video on your own. I am pretty sure 90% of the class is going to get this. So 25, don't take square root of that right now, later on we'll see. Multiply this. 18 2s are 36, 36 plus 13 is 49 upon 18, and get rid of the decimal, so 25 by 100. Put it under the root. 25 ones are 25 fours are. Wherever I can cancel, you should. Now that you can't cancel, 25 ka root is 5, 49 ka root is 7. Now if you're a little smart, see how I'm making your life easy. Don't multiply 32 with 18. Remove 1 2 from here. So out of 32, if I remove 1 2, it becomes 16. 16 is a square for 4. So directly write 4. And give that 2 to this fellow. So 18 into this 2 will become 36. 36 ka root will become 6. And then 4 ka root is 2. See how easy. These are basic things, basic common sense. If you use, you can make mathematics very simple. Otherwise, generally what would have you done? You would have multiplied these two, then taken the factors, and then you would have got this. You would have gone mad doing it. So use common sense. What did I do is I removed 2 from here. Remove matlab not minus 2. Divide this by 2. So this becomes 16, and that 2 multiply it here. So this becomes 36. So 16 and 36 both are perfect squares. See, I removed through, I'm explaining it again. So it becomes 16. I gave 2 over here, so this becomes 36. So 16 square 4, 36 square is 6, and 4 square is 2. My life has become very simple. Now 7 5s are 35. 24 into 2, 48. No mixed fraction not possible, so leave it here itself. How many got this already without my help? You guys are amazing. Come on, let's go ahead. Hit this one. Pause, try on your own, and then come back. So 5 ones are 5 plus 4, 9. 5. Correct? 5 plus 4, 9. 14 into 44. So I'll have to multiply 44 into 14. So 4 4s are, I think it is 616 plus 21. So it should be 637. So 637 by 44 into 55 into 2, 110 plus 7. 117 by 55. Are you copying all this from here? Please don't do that. Try on your own. If you don't get it, then come back. But first try, okay? Okay, let's see what can I do now. For 9, it's directly 3, so I don't need to do anything. Can I cancel anything? I don't think so, because this is 11 and there is no 11 ka multiple here. So I'll have to take the factors of 637. So let's do it. So I think it will go in 13. 13 how many times? 13 4s are 52 and 9s are. 7 7s are 7 1s are. Yeah, these should be the factors. So 9 into 13 into 7 into 7, and 117 is 13 into 7 any which ways. 13 into 9, sorry. 13 9s are 117. 5 I'm keeping as it is. 44 is 4 into 11. So 4 is 2 into 2, and 55 is 5 into 11. We are involving a little bit of mental maths. Everything should not be with pen and paper. You should develop things here. Okay. So let's take it forward. Whatever common things, I'm removing it once outside. So 9 and 9, 13 and 13, and 7 and 7. Here 5 and 5, 2 and 11. So we have taken the square root successfully. Let's multiply now. So 9 7s are 63 into 13. So 3 3s are 9, 6 3s are 18, 3 and 6. So 9, 12, 6, 7 and 1, 8. I'm getting 829. And 5 2s are 10, 110. Mixed fraction possible? Yes. I'm making your life a little difficult, I'm sorry, but we have to do it. So it goes 7 times. I think I made a mistake. 8, 9, 10, 11. It's 819, not 829. So 7 times, and what will I get left over is 49 by 110. If you don't get this, go into a rough page, divide actually, and then come back. Yeah, you will get it, don't worry. 7 part 1. Now things are slightly simpler for you. So come on, try it. Everyone should go with a brilliant speed and on your own. Be confident. Square root. So we know 3 square is 9, but don't write it that way. Write it this way. 6 is 2 into 3, 3 times. See, I'm trying to write everything in their prime factors form. So 6 3 times. 1 6 is 2 into 3, so I wrote it 3 times. and 24 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 2 2s are 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. Everything under the root. So now let's take factors. So this 3 can come out, this 2 can come out, this 3 can come out, one more 2 I can bring out, this 3 I can bring out, and finally this 2. So what do I get? 3 into 3 9, 9 2s are 18, 18 2s are 36, 36 2s are 72 into 3. Now I don't know, you'll have to multiply. 3 2s are 6, 6 21, so 216. Yeah, how many managed to get it on their own without cheating? Raise your hand. Pat yourself. Great job. Let's go with the next one. 7 part 3. Are you enjoying? Brilliant. Let's go ahead. 5. Convert this mixed fraction. You're with me yet? No. Pause and try on your own. So 25 2s are 50. 50 plus 21 is 71 by 25. Converted the mixed fraction. Let's get rid of all the decimals. So decimal and then 3 places, so put 3 zeros down. Decimal and then 1 place, so put 1 0 on top, cancel the 0. Life has become easy and smooth. Under the root. LCM. You know how to take the LCM? So you multiply in your head this number by 25 and this also by 25. Why? Because your LCM is 25. So 25 into 5, go onto your rough, multiply, you will get 125, and then this 25 in your head gets cancelled with this 25. So you don't have to do anything, directly write 71 over here into 169 by 1600 under the root. So 125 plus 71 will be what? 196. 169, 1600. Who can do this mental math? If you can, work it out. I will be impressed. So 196. What is the square root? Softboard. 14. 25. 5. 169. 13. Just take 16. Forget the zeros. Don't bother about it. So 16 is 4. And 2 zeros will become 1. So 40. Can anything get cancelled? 2 7s are, 2 20s are. Always write your answer in reduced form. So 7 into 13 is 91 and 5 into 10, 20 is 100. Put decimals. So 0.91 should be your final answer. How many got this? If you got it, I am seriously impressed. Please tell me that you got it. Message me and I will be really impressed with you. Yeah? Let's go with the next one. 7 part 5. Come on, hit it. Last sum, which is slightly with calculations. After that, things are very smooth for you. So 248, what should I do? 248, let's start with the inner part. So 248 plus 52 and this 144 ka root will be 12. So double roots yet. 248. What is 52 plus 12? 64. What a stupid question. It actually scared me, but it isn't that scary. 64 root is 8. So I'll get root of 256, which is 16. How simple was that? It just looked dangerous, but once you try it, it isn't. Come on, let's take the next one. Sum number 9. 9 is a word problem, so just let me read the question for you. So the 9th one says, out of 745 students, maximum are to be arranged in the school field for a PT display. Maximum means not all of them, but maximum you got to arrange. Okay. Further they say, such that the number of rows is equal to the number of columns. So let's say these are the number of rows, 5 rows, and these are the columns, 1 2 3 4 5. So this way I can see 6 dots, so here also 6. So number of rows, number of columns, both are equal. Find the number of rows if 16 students were left out after the arrangement. So once they arranged, 16 students could not be arranged. So what are the number of students that were arranged? So number of students arranged is 745 minus 16. So how many would that be? 9, 3, so 2, 729 students were arranged. Number of rows equal to number of columns. Let's call both of them as X. Now if these are 6 dots and these are 6 dots, what will be the total number of dots in this entire box? Can you tell me? So 6 and 6. What do? You multiply and what do you get? 36. Now instead of 6, if I say x and x, because number of rows are x, number of columns are x. So what do you do instead of x, 6 and 6? You say x and x. And the total is 36 here. Here the total is 729. So you will say therefore x into x is 729. Number of rows into number of columns is total students which were arranged after removing 16. So how many were there? 729. So x square 729. So what will your x be? 27. Take factors if you do not know how to do it mentally, and then you say therefore. The final question is find the number of rows. So therefore number of rows is equal to 27. Did you manage to get it now? Simple? Brilliant. Let's go with the last question. You can ignore sum number 10 and 11. Don't bother, such sums we are not going to ask you. Directly come to the 12th one. If you still want, you can try it. Hint is also given, but I am not doing it for sure. 784. The root is 28. So they have given you the root of 784 and then they are playing with decimals. Very simple. Decimals for us is not a big job. So root of 7.84 plus root of 78400. See how will you work with decimals. First of all, remove them by taking two zeros at the bottom. Separate them. How will you separate? So into 100. Now 100 we know is 10 and this we already know is 28. How simple. They were trying to fool us. We fooled them. What is 784? 28 upon 100. So 1 minute. 100 nahi aayega, 10 because we are taking the root. So 784 is 28. 100 ka root is 10. Likewise here 784 is 28. 100 ka root is 10. We've removed the roots out. Now what will happen? This will become 2.8 because one decimal, and this will become 280. So what will be my final answer? 282.8. Did you manage it? If you can't add this, you say this way 280 and say 2.8. Here write 0.0. So you can easily add it now. 282.8. Did you get it? Am I going fast? If I am going, you need to increase your pace. You need to pause the video, try on your own and then come back. Gradually you will build, because now we need to go with a lovely rapport. So let's get with the second one. 0.0784 under the root, 0.000784 under the root. Pause your video, get rid of the decimals and then try it. So 784 divided by 4 zeros, 1 2 3 4 under the root, and 784 divided by 6 zeros under the root. So this is 28 and 2 zeros make groups, and each 2 0 will become 1 0. So I will get 1 0 and 1 more 0. Likewise here 28, 3 groups, so I will have 3 zeros. Take the LCM. So LCM is 1000. Multiply both by 1000. I taught you already how to do that in your mind. Don't write it. So 1000 here, 1000 here. 2 zeros get cancelled. What is left is just 1 0. So this will become 280. And here all 3 zeros are getting cancelled. So what will be left is 28. So my final answer, add these two. So that will be 1 minute. So this will be 280 and 28. So I will get 8, 10, 308 by 1000. So my answer should be 0.308. Let me just check. I am not really sure. It's correct. I was a little worried. It's correct. So 0.308 is your final answer. Now, whatever sums we have done in the video right now, I hope you've done the same sums in your notebook along with me while doing the video without copying. That's one thing. If you've not done it and you just watch the video, then you need to do these sums again in your notebook as an assignment. Alright? And these sums which I have listed here, I want you to do them as homework separately with a head written as homework. In the class when we meet, we will try and solve these sums while doing it on the class. Yeah. So sum number 1 part 1, 2 part 1, 3 part 1, 6 part 2, 7 part 2 and 4 and 8. These sums you must practice. This is not really great. Very simple sums these are and very little homework this is. I hope you enjoyed the video. You're doing a great job with me and we will definitely work it out very well throughout the year. Don't worry. Stay safe. Take care. and pray for everyone. Bye. Take care.
I hope you enjoyed the video. Please do write your math experience in the comment section. Thank you.